Good evening. This video is brought to you by Fake Taxi and Joe Exotic. So, as you can tell, I've got some stock tin holes. I've got some 275 Pros on it. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but biggest thing about that is everybody uses some 275 Pros. Fast guys kind of get their life out of them. They still have some good tread. Sidewalls go away, yada yada yada. I'm not fast, so why not? Buy them cheap, keep on rocking them. But one thing you run into is the fact that you will find spots where they rub with your stock wheel tubs and the slip and everything right there. So I'm going to show you how to use things in your garage that will simplify this process and allow you to roll them no problem. Once you're done, as you can see, no paint damage. You got all the room in the world. She don't rub. All the room in the world. Man, look at that paint. That's nice. Didn't chip no paint, didn't damage nothing. So I'd say that was a success.